Grade 7 learners. Have a nice day. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be discussing to you how to change repeating decimals to fraction form. I'll be teaching you the shortest method. Okay, now let me discuss to you the shortcut method of changing repeating decimals fraction. In your module, you have there the solution on how to find the fraction form of a repeating decimals. But this time, I'm gonna teach you the shorter method to lessen the solution. This is Mom Dayon's rule. Okay, first, if there is only one repeating digit, the denominator of a fraction is always 9. Just copy the repeating digit and write it in the numerator, then reduce the fraction to its lowest term. So very easy. If we only have one repeating digit, it is understood that the denominator of our fraction is 9. Then we have to copy the repeating digit and write it in the numerator. So example for this, change 0.333 repeating the fraction form. The 3 dots denotes that this is repeating, and the 3 dots is called ellipsis. This can also be written as 0.3, and we're going to place a symbol at the top of 3, and this symbol is what we call vinculum, and they are just the same. Okay, so how are we going to express this in fraction form? So we have here one repeating digit which is 3. So 3 will be written in the numerator, and for our denominator we have 9. Again, where did we get 9? Rule number 1 is telling us that if we only have one repeating digit, our denominator is 9. Next, reduce 3 over 9 to its lowest term. And I know that you have already discussed this one in your elementary, how to reduce a fraction to its lowest term. So we have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor between 3 and 9 is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So therefore, 1/3 is the fraction form of 0.333 repeating. Another example, change 4.2 repeating to fraction form. So this time we have now a whole number. So we will just copy 4 as the whole number part of the fraction. So here we have 4, and then our repeating digit is 2. It will be in the numerator. And again, rule number 1 is telling us that if we only have one repeating digit, our denominator is 9. So we have here 9. So we have 4 and 2 over 9. Now let's try to inspect the fraction part. 2 over 9. Is 2 over 9 in the lowest term, or is 2 over 9 can still be reduced? 2 over 9 is already in the lowest term because there is no more common factor between 2 and 9 except 1. So it's already in the lowest term. So no need to reduce. So therefore, 4 and 2 over 9 is the fraction form of 4.2 repeating. Now let's have rule number 2. If there are two repeating digits, the denominator of a fraction is always 99. Just copy the repeating digit and write it in the numerator, then reduce the fraction to its lowest term. So this time, the number of repeating digits is 2. So if there are two repeating digits, the denominator of our fraction is always 99. So let's have an example for this. Change 0.121212 repeating to fraction form. Again, this can also be written as 0.12. And we're going to place a vinculum at the top of 1 and 2. They are just the same. So, if you have observed, we have here two repeating digits, 1 and 2. So, since there are already two repeating digits, the denominator of our fraction is 99. Then, copy the repeating digit. We have here 12. Now, we are going to reduce 12 over 99 to its lowest term. Now, what is the greatest common factor between 12 and 99? We have 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 99 divided by 3 is 33. So therefore, 4 over 33 is the fraction form of 0.121212 repeating. Now let's have another example. This time we have also a whole number. Change 3.18 repeating to fraction form. So we have to copy the whole number part, which is 3, and copy the repeating digit 18 we have here in our numerator. And for our denominator, we have 99 because we only have two repeating digits, 1 and 8. Now, let's try to check if we can still reduce the fraction part into lowest term. So try to check 18 over 99. So we can still reduce 18 over 99 to the lowest term. So we'll just work for the fraction part. So 18 over 99, and the greatest common factor is 9. So we have 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 99 divided by 9 is 11. So 2 over 11 is the lowest term of 18 over 99. Now we have to write again the whole number part, which is 3. So we have here 3, and write the lowest term of 18 over 99. We have 2 over 11. That's why we have 3 and 2 over 11. And 3 and 2 over 11 is the fraction form of 3.18 repeating. So this is now our answer. Now let's have the third rule. If there are three repeating digits, the denominator of a fraction is always 999. Just copy the repeating digit and write it in the numerator, then reduce the fraction to its lowest term. So this time we have already three repeating digits. Since there are already three repeating digits, the denominator of our fraction is already 999. Let's have example for this. So change 0.123123 repeating the fraction form. Again, this can also be written as 0.123, and at the top of 123 we have here a vinculum. They are just the same. So we have here three repeating digits, 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to write the repeating digit at the numerator part, and our denominator is 999 because we have already three repeating digits. Next, we have to reduce the fraction to its lowest term, and the greatest common factor between 123 and 999 is 3. So 123 divided by 3 is equal to 41. 999 divided by 3 is equal to 333. Therefore, 41 over 333 is the fraction form of 0.123 repeating. Another example, change 5.108 repeating to fraction form. In here we have a whole number, so we have to write the whole number 5 as the whole number. Here we have 5, and the repeating digit will be written in the numerator, so we have 108, and of course our denominator is 999. Now we have to check if the fraction part is still reducible to lowest term. So we cancel reduce the fraction part. We'll just set aside 5 first. So 108 over 999, reduce the lowest term. The greatest common factor is 27. So 108 divided by 27 is equal to 4. And 999 divided by 27 is equal to 37. So now we have to write again the whole number part, which is 5. And write also the lowest term of 108 over 999. So we have here 5 and 4 over 37. So therefore, 5 and 4 over 37 is the fraction form of 5.108 repeating. Again, there are only 3 things that you have to remember. First, if there is only one repeating digit, then the denominator is 9. If there are 2, the denominator is 99. And if there are 3, the denominator is 999. What if there are already 4? Then we can have 9,999. But for grade 7, we have to limit up to 3 repeating digits. Okay, hopefully you learned for today. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if you have comments, kindly write it in the comment box. Kindly share also to other students for them to learn or master the lesson. And thank you all so much to all who have subscribed to my channel, and if in case you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to be updated for more math lesson videos and turn on the bell for notifications. Before I end, let me share to you one of the verses from the Bible. The integrity of the upright shall guide them, but the perverseness of transgressors shall destroy them. Proverbs 11 verse 3. That's all for today, and God bless you all.